Hello and welcome to episode 3 of this short 5-video series about how to do product research with FBM. Now, in the last episode, we showed you exactly how you extract your competitors' keywords and find out where their sales are coming from. And now I'm going to take this a step further. Now, if you haven't already, please be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, as this will help me provide you with more content like this, and it helps the channel more than you know. So let me help you become our next success story, and then we can grow together. So without further ado, let's dive into the laptop. Now we're back in Cerebro, and as you can see from the keyword results that I mentioned last time, the top one, incense sticks, has 58,931 people searching for it every single month, which is an incredible result. And this is basically how the Amazon system operates. Products on Amazon have a rank for each one of these keyword phrases, which is why it's so important to know this. And that's why obviously we filtered the organic rank in the last episode by 1 to 16. But the idea is you set up sponsoring campaigns where you actually pay to advertise on each of these phrases, and that's how you rank in the Amazon system. And that's why it's important to know this stuff. So something to think about. For example, if you look at this second keyword here, it actually says lavender incense sticks. So it's the same phrase as the big keyword, and even though there is only 1,879 compared to 58,000, lavender incense sticks is actually more specific. A good way of competing, other than just being a different amount like we spoke about in the previous episode, would be if hypothetically your competition wasn't selling lavender, you could bring out lavender and then you're the only person with lavender. Now let's have a quick look and just see if we can confirm this. So I'll scroll back up now, and as you can see, there are many variations in this family, all with different fragrances. Now, a simple way of looking at this without having to manually check each one is if I go to the top of my browser now and I click on the Helium 10 Chrome extension, and as stated in the previous episode, it's essential to have this tool. If you don't have the Chrome extension yet, be sure to click the video that's just popped up on the screen right now for an in-depth tutorial about this extension. But assuming you do have the extension, you can now click on the Xray tool. Okay, and now this has pulled up all of the different flavours from this product listing. We have an easy to look at, organised list of the colours, so we can easily inspect whether lavender is there. But if I scroll down here, I can see that they in fact do have lavender. So unfortunately in this scenario, you can't just bring out lavender and beat the competition because they already have it. But that doesn't mean you can't sell lavender. It just means you can't be the only person selling lavender. And always remember, these are just mindset tools that I'm providing to you that you can then apply to your own product research for different products. But in this scenario, it could be a good idea to sell lavender, as we know there's demand for it as an actual keyword for it, but then do a different amount of lavender. And then maybe after you've found success with lavender, then you can start to branch out into some of these other fragrances and actually start to expand your product range. And this can be confirmed as well, because if I scroll across here and you can see as in sales, the lavender variation has sold 220 compared to these other fragrances where they have sold significantly less. So this actually proves what I'm saying to you, because we've seen on Cerebro there was demand for lavender, and now you can see here on Xray that the ASIN sales for lavender are significantly higher. Now that's about it for episode 3. I hope you found this information useful. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information like this. Now in the next episode, I'm going to be taking this a step further and demonstrating how you can find out all the mistakes that your competition has made and all the things they've done correct, and how these can be indicators of what you should be doing. So be sure to stick around for that one, and I'll see you in the next episode.